Hey everyone! Today I'm going to share with you the two most powerful herbs for naturally controlling diabetes. And here's the kicker, one of them is so effective that even doctors are starting to take notice. Recent studies show these herbs can help regulate blood sugar over time, but most people don't know how to use them correctly. Stick around because by the end of this video, I'll show you three simple and delicious ways to add these herbs to your daily routine, no hassle required. Oh, and if you find this helpful, don't forget to hit that like button so more people can discover this life-changing info. New here? Welcome. Make sure to subscribe so you don't miss tomorrow's video. Let's dive in. First up, rosemary. Now, if you think rosemary is just a fancy herb for seasoning your roast chicken, think again. This powerhouse plant has been studied for its incredible ability to help regulate blood sugar naturally. A study published in the Journal of Agricultural and Food Chemistry found that rosemary contains compounds that mimic insulin, helping glucose enter your cells more efficiently. That means it could play a crucial role in preventing those dangerous blood sugar spikes that many diabetics struggle with daily. But here's something most people don't know. Rosemary isn't just about blood sugar. It also supports overall metabolic health. Have you ever felt frustrated with unpredictable blood sugar swings, even when you're careful about your diet? One reason this happens is inflammation, which worsens insulin resistance. Rosemary's anti-inflammatory properties combat this issue at the root. A study in the International Journal of Molecular Sciences revealed that rosemary's active compounds, like rosmarinous acid, reduce chronic inflammation, helping stabilize blood sugar levels. So, instead of just focusing on what to avoid, imagine adding something simple to your routine that actively helps your body process glucose more efficiently. And here's a fun fact, rosemary even protects your pancreas. A 2020 study in phytotherapy research found that rosemary extract helps protect beta cells, the ones responsible for producing insulin. Without healthy beta cells, blood sugar control becomes nearly impossible. Could this humble herb be the missing piece in your diabetes management plan? Let's find out. Now, let's talk about how to use rosemary. You don't need to make drastic changes to benefit from it. Even small daily doses can make a noticeable difference over time. Here are three easy ways to add rosemary to your routine. 1. Rosemary tea. Steep a few sprigs in hot water for 5 to 10 minutes. It's soothing, delicious, and great for your blood sugar. 2. Cooking. Sprinkle fresh or dried rosemary on roasted veggies, soups, or grilled meats. 3. Aromatherapy. Inhale rosemary essential oil to reduce stress and improve insulin sensitivity. And here's a pro tip, pair rosemary with healthy fats like olive oil to boost its absorption. So, who's ready to give rosemary a try? Drop I in the comments if you're excited to add this herb to your routine. Next up, cinnamon. Now, if you've heard that cinnamon helps lower blood sugar, you're not wrong. But here's what most people don't realize, not all cinnamon is created equal. The Ceylon variety, also known as true cinnamon, is the one with the real blood sugar lowering benefits. A study published in Diabetes Care found that consuming cinnamon daily can lower fasting blood sugar levels by up to 29%. That's huge. But how does it work? Cinnamon contains a compound called cinnamaldehyde, which mimics insulin and helps your cells absorb glucose more efficiently. And here's the best part, cinnamon doesn't just help with blood sugar, it also supports heart health, reduces inflammation, and even curbs sugar cravings. A study in the Journal of Nutritional Biochemistry found that cinnamon boosts metabolism and helps regulate appetite, making it easier to maintain a healthy weight. So, how can you use cinnamon? Here are three simple ways. 1. Morning boost. Add a teaspoon to your coffee, oatmeal, or smoothie. 2. Cinnamon tea. Steep a cinnamon stick in hot water for a soothing drink. Third supplement. Take a high-quality Ceylon cinnamon supplement for a concentrated dose. And here's a tip: consume cinnamon before meals to slow down carbohydrate absorption and prevent blood sugar spikes. Who's ready to spice things up? Drop it in the comments if you're excited to try cinnamon. So there you have it, the two most powerful herbs for controlling diabetes naturally. Rosemary and cinnamon are game changers for blood sugar, heart health, and overall well-being. Start small, stay consistent, and watch how these herbs can transform your health. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with someone who needs this info, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips on managing diabetes naturally. Oh, and drop a comment below. Let me know which herb you're most excited to try. Thanks for watching, and remember, your health is in your hands. See you in the next video.